demonstrating a shoulder instability repair located in the glenohumeral joint using suture anchors. The glenohumeral joint, or ball and socket joint, is responsible for the majority of movement in the shoulder. In this procedure, we see the repair of the labrum, a rubbery cartilage material around the sockets that helps maintain stability of the shoulder. First, the surgeon places a guide onto the desired location of the socket. Then, a drill is placed through the guide and a socket is created for the suture anchor. Leaving the guide in place, a knotless suture anchor is inserted through the guide and placed into the bone. Sutures are left in place and passed under the labrum. Finally, they are shuttled into the locking mechanism, and the tear between the labrum and the glenoid is closed, completing the repair.